Hey everyone, it's Dr. Shridharani here at Lux Surgery in New York City on famed Fifth Avenue. We have the fortune of being able to take care of some amazing patients that come see us from all over the globe. One of my patients, this lovely young woman, just underwent her Botox and filler treatment. And it's paramount for her to have an incredible experience, not just with the injectables, but post-treatment also. The thing that we love to do the most is place our patients on OcuMend. And OcuMend is basically a topical patch that has high doses of arnica placed in it that really helps diminish the patient's overall chances of swelling and bruising. Love to send the patients out with a set for immediately after the treatment, and we typically give them an extra set for them to wear overnight as well. Our patients' feedback has been phenomenal. They all feel like in the morning they bounce back, get ready to take on the day, and don't look like they have the stigmata associated with injectables. So no matter how heavy-handed you are or you aren't, you really have the chance to decrease your patient's swelling and bruising and give them the best possible outcome.